Hello everyone. Today we will solve Leetcode problem number 143, reorder list. So what the question says, you are given the head of the singly linked list. The list can be represented as, so they have given this one, L of 0, L of 1, L of n minus 1, L of n. So we have to reorder the list in the following form. L of 0, n, 1, n minus 1, 2, n minus 2, then the list goes on, right? So you may not modify the values in the lists nodes. So we shouldn't modify the values in the list nodes. Only nodes themselves may be changed. Complete node, the value of the complete node may be changed. So no, only the complete node may be changed, right? So they have given us the example. Let's come to example 1. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. So the input head is 1, 2, 3, 4. Input they have given is 1, 2, 3, 4, the head, and the output we are getting is 1, 4, 2, 3. So let's see how can we achieve this, right? So let's see. The initial list is what we have is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the initial list, the input, right? So next step, what we'll do, we will assign the slow and this one, fast pointers to this one, head. Nothing but initially this one will be now slow and fast, right? So after assigning this one, we will move the slow by 1 step and fast by 2 steps. This is nothing but to find the middle of the linked list. If you have solved that problem, we would have made use of the algorithm, tortoise and hare algorithm, right? So one thing, the first node will, the first pointer will move 1 step and the second pointer will move 2 steps. So here in this case, we are moving the slow pointer to this one. Now the slow pointer will be this one, and the fast pointer will be twice the faster. It will move twice the fast of slow pointer, nothing but 3 and 4 here. Now the slow pointer is at 2 and the fast pointer is at this one, 4, right? So next step what we'll be doing is, we will split these two, this one into halves basically. 1, 2, 3, 4 we have. So I'll just delete this one now. So we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. We will split this list into 2 halves basically. So now what we have got, 1, 2 and null, right? So I'll just convert this one, and the second half will be 3, 4 and null, right? So this is first half and this is second half. Let me delete this one. Let me write the first half is 1, 2, null. The second half is 3, 4 and null basically. So next what we'll do, we will update the list. Now we have 1, 2 null. Previous we'll assign the previous to this one. I'll just give P in my case. P equals this one, and slow, we know that slow was at the slow we moved 1 position, right? So slow was at the 2 basically. So what we'll do, we will disconnect the first and the second halves. We have disconnected the first and second halves. So basically what we have got now, 1, 2 null at 3, 4 as we have got basically 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now what we'll do, we will reverse this one, previous, nothing but this 1, 2 remains same, 1 and 2, and when we reverse the second half, what we will get, 4 and 3. So now this will be 1, 2, 4 and 3 basically. Next step, in the next step what we'll do, we will merge these lists basically. Now these are 2 lists, right? We have split this one into half, and this is list 1. Let's consider for the example, this is list 1 and this is list 2 basically. Just for the example sake, I have shown you, these are two different lists now. So now let's merge L1 and L2. Nothing but we are merging 1 and 4, the values of, we are merging the values of L1 and L2, right? We are merging 1 and 4, 2 and 3. This will become 1, 4, 2, 3. Right? So what the output is 1, 4, 2 and 3. That's what we got here. So I hope this is clear. So let me delete and let's continue by writing the code. Just give me a second. I'll just come here. Initially what we'll do, we'll initialize the pointers. Nothing but, as I have said, we'll initialize slow and fast to head. Let slow equals fast equals head. We are initializing both pointers to head. Then find the middle of the list. How can we find the middle of the list? By the tortoise and hare algorithm. I showed you in the example how to find the middle of the linked list. I just make use of the while loop. I just give fast dot next and fast dot next dot next. In my case, we'll update the slow by, we'll move the slow to the next pointer, right? Next node. For that one, I'll just give slow equals slow dot next and fast equals fast dot next dot next. So this is fine. Next, what we'll do, we'll reverse the second half. How can we reverse the second half? So I showed you. I'll just give, in my case, I'll just comment this one, reverse the second half. So here, let me comment this one and write file middle of the list or middle in the list. Middle value in the list, middle in the list. Basically, this is fine. Then we are reversing the second half, right? So for reversing the second half, what we'll do, I'll just give let previous equals null and let me give let current equals, we are just giving slow dot next. So while we have current, then we can just make use of the temporary variable temp equals current dot next and current dot next. We are pointing this one to previous to current, finally current to temp. So this is fine. Finally, we will disconnect the first and second halves. So I showed you how we disconnected the first and second halves in the example basically. For that one, I'll just make use of slow dot next equals null. So this is the step where we are disconnecting the first and second halves. Next, what we'll do, we have to finally merge the two halves, right? So that's what we did. Like I showed you in the example that as well. So for that one, I'll just consider let h1 equals initially head, let h2 equals previous, while we have h2, then let temporary variable I'll assign to h1 dot next, h1 dot next equals h2, h1 equals h2, h2 equals temp. So this is the thing, right? I'll just format the document. So let me hit the submit. So this works well, right? So this is working fine. So what will be the time complexity and the space complexity? Just give me a second. What will be the time complexity and the space complexity? So we know that finding the middle of the node, nothing but this one. So this one will be the time complexity of big O of n. Also reversing the second half will also be will also have the time complexity of big O of n, merging into two halves. So this one, the final one, let me comment this one as well. Merging into merging the two halves, sorry, not merging into two halves, merging the two halves. So basically this one is also of the time complexity big of n. So overall the time complexity is big of n itself, since all the operations are linear and consecutive. So I'll just come here, let me give the time complexity big of n. So what is the space complexity? We are making use of the extra space, right? Nothing but big of 1. It is constant and it is big of n. So the overall space complexity is big of 1. So yeah, let me just comment this one. Yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.